Let's take a look at the story of the evolution of the PLC and as it's migrated towards the PAC and more recently the ePAC. The story kicked off back in 1968 where we saw the first Modicon 084 controller. That was really a joint venture development between Modicon and General Motors from the automotive industry, where there was a requirement really to simplify traditional hardwired control panels. So hence the birth of the PLC. In the 1990s, we saw the addition or the evolution to the PAC controller as opposed to the PLC, the PAC being the programmable automation controller. Not just logic control, but the PAC brought about additional feature sets such as high-speed counting, motion control, and additional communications capabilities that we didn't see on the first generation of PLCs. The PAC has evolved on. Further, we had the web-enabled PAC, which was effectively putting a website into the PAC itself, allowing for remote access using standard internet-type tools such as web browsers to provide easy navigation and maintenance-type capabilities. And in 2013, we've seen the introduction of the ePAC. The E stands very importantly for an Ethernet backplane, and that does deliver significant customer benefit to industrial automation solutions. Some of the benefits that the ePAC brings to market over and above what we've seen with PLCs and PACs in the past. The ePAC, the Modicon M580, has cybersecurity built in. It has a certification, Accolades Level 2, which means it's hardened and robust to the risk of cyber attack. Various features and functions built in, such as password authentication. Second key benefit of the ePAC is to do with remote access. It has a HTML5 engine built in, a web server inside, and that means it's ready to support tablet smart devices such as Android phones or Apple iOS operating systems, so they're ready for mobile devices to help with commissioning and assistance and maintenance type data. A third key benefit of the ePAC is really, thanks to its Ethernet backplane, is to do with the great flexibility of connection of devices and I/O. The biggest advantage that the ePAC delivers is really down to data throughput and the volume of traffic. Because of its Ethernet IP backplane, it means that data can pass seamlessly through the ePAC without having to be converted across the backplane, so data from top to bottom can pass and be routed seamlessly, therefore fully optimizing process communication systems.